Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm doing a cooking video. You guys always request me to do cooking videos and I love cooking, so it's like a perfect win-win situation. And I've been doing a ton of makeup videos recently, so I figured I should just like switch up my content a little bit and like, you know, spice it up. No pun intended. Excuse my corniness. For this video, I teamed up with HelloFresh to show you guys how to make this delicious bomb burger. It only took me 30 minutes and it's so good. The meat is stuffed with cheese and you got this like onion and tomato mixture on top. It was just so bomb. I've never made a burger before and I killed it, to say the least. HelloFresh is a meal delivery service, so they send you everything you need to create delicious, fast meals right to your door. All of your ingredients come to you pre-measured out in labeled meal kits, so you know exactly which ingredients go with each meal. And on the website you can customize everything. You can pick for how many people you're going to be serving. I picked the 2-person plan, but you can pick how many people, you can pick how many meals you want to receive, and they can also pick between the classic, veggie, or the family option. I got the classic option because I eat meat, but there's also a veggie option for if you're vegetarian, and then also there's a family option. Personally, what I love about HelloFresh is that it just saves you so much time with meal planning and grocery shopping. I hate grocery shopping, so I love how all of my ingredients come straight to my door. Another thing that's super cool about HelloFresh is that it kind of inspires you to try different things in the kitchen. I love to cook, but I'm pretty boring in the kitchen. Like, all of my dishes mostly consist of like chicken and rice. Like, that's pretty much all I cook. So I love that this helped me expand out of my comfort zone and try different things. I actually made one of the recipes over on my vlog channel the other day. If you missed that, I'll link it down below so you guys can watch it after you watch this video. But that meal was so delicious. It took me 30 minutes to make and I would have never made it on my own. Or if you're an experienced cook and you just want to try out new recipes, like, it's great for all different levels. So of course I have to hook you guys up with a coupon code. If you guys want to try out HelloFresh, use the code Nazanin30. I'll put it right here and you can get $30 off your first week of HelloFresh. So enough with me talking and let's get into throwing it down in the kitchen. Okay, so we need to preheat and prep. So we need to wash and dry all the produce. We need to preheat a toaster oven or an oven. Alright, so next up in our instructions, it says to peel half and thinly slice the onion, and then we also need to wrap the garlic in aluminum foil to make a little pouch and then roast it in the oven. Okay guys, so we're officially done with step number 1. We got all the vegetables chopped, we got the garlic in the oven. So now we're gonna be making the onion jam. That sizzle.
I love the smell of cooking onions.
Me too.
Oh, that smells so good.
This smells so bomb, guys. Now we need to add sugar and what else? Sugar and vinegar. And we're just gonna let that cook. Look how cute this little bottle is. That's adorable. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay, I knew it. I knew it. I knew she was gonna add more salt.
Just a little bit.
Best
a
nuno.
smidge.
Just best nuno.
So whenever I like eat food and people are like, it's too salty, I'm like, I think it's perfect. All right, guys, so we're finished with our onion jam. I'm gonna move that to the side, and we're gonna move on to the next step. Step number 3, it says to divide the beef in half and flatten it. My lovely sous chef, Tree, did that for us already. So we have to divide the cheese between the center, fold edges over the meat, shaping and sealing, creating a cheese stuffed patty. Oh. So here's our cheese. We're just gonna divide this in half, and we're gonna make some cheese stuffed burgers. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Perfect shape, beautiful consistency. I'm gonna give this patty a 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hold on. I'm trying to get as perfectly circular.
Perfectionist.
I'm the biggest perfectionist. Okay, hold on. How does he do it? Like,
I think he like throws
should I
it.
put on my sunglasses? Hold on. There's like a picture of me someone made, but like my face on Salt Bay's body.
I've seen it.
With tahini bottles.
I've seen it.
Everywhere.
I was dead.
I think it looks good. What do you think? You flip the burger?
I think we're ready to flip.
Okay, let's do it. All right, guys, step number 4 is finished. So now we're moving on to step number 5. We got the buns on the baking sheet, and now we're gonna be making the salad dressing. Guys, so we finished up our burgers, we toasted the buns. All we gotta do now is assemble our burgers. I'm so ready to eat, especially that little onion mixture we made. It's about to be so good. Look at this mini mayo, it's so cute. Got some ketchup. All right, guys, we're about to taste test these burgers. I'm so excited.
I'm really excited. I mean, we put in the work.
Cheers. Cheers. Mmm.
Mm.
That is so good.
Mm.
I made that. I made this.
She made it.
Mmm.
The cheese inside the burger.
Cheese inside, how amazing. The inside of this burger, you guys.
Good job.
Thank you.
What are we having tomorrow?
Guys, we killed it.